Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath number 132.
FunMath number 132. Today we're talking about
Percents.
And what are we doing with percents? Well, we're in section 6.5, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Of Art of Problem Solving's algebra book. So these are percent word problems. So these are kind of cool problems. So I just made one up. You have 20 Lego pieces today. Tomorrow you'll have 25% more, and on the next day you'll have 20% more than you'll have tomorrow. How many Lego pieces will you have in 2 days? So at the end of those 2 days, how many are you going to have? You start with 20, then you go up by 25%, then you go up by 20%. How much will you have at the end of those 2 days?
Well, actually, 20 is a pretty easy number to do 25% and 20%.
Okay. Well, how are you going to solve this problem?
Well, 25% of 20 is 5. It's a quarter of 20.
Okay.
And 20% of 20 is 4. It's a fifth. So it's 20 plus 5 plus 4, which is 29.
Okay, that is not correct. Okay, so try again. Alright, so you have 20 Lego pieces today. Tomorrow you'll have 25% more. And on the next day, you'll have 20% more than you'll have tomorrow. How many Lego pieces will you have in 2 days?
I get it.
Ah, did you fall into a trap?
Yeah.
Aha.
So, today you have 20. Tomorrow, you're going to have 25. And the next day, you have 20%. We need to know what 20% of 25 is.
Oh, 20% more than you'll have tomorrow. So we have to calculate 20 over 100, which is 20% of 25.
It's 20 over 4, which is 5. Still pretty easy, 20% of 25. So the correct answer is 30.
Okay, now, you got the right answer the second time, but you didn't really show too much of your work. So let's see where the actual work comes from, okay, instead of just doing it in the air. I start out with 20, then I have to figure out what 25% of 20 is. Okay, so 25 over 100 times 20. Now, what is 25 over 100 as a fraction?
1/4.
It's 1/4.
Or
1/4 times 20 is
5.
5. Okay, so that's how I go from 20 to 25, like you've shown over here. Alright, now I have to calculate 20% of 25, right?
Yeah.
20 over 100 times 25. Now what is 20 over 100 as a fraction? It's 1/5.
So this is also 5.
So 1/5 of 25 is 5, and I go from 25 to 30, just like you said. Okay, so you have to watch out for fractions. Combining fractions isn't as, combining percents is not as easy as it seems. Okay, you just have to go step by step. All right. Okay, good job. Whoops, crushed the marker.